Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the President of Constituent Assembly and Sri Sachidanand Sinha was the Pro Tem President of Constituent Assembly. For preparation of a draft constitution, a drafting committee was set up with its chairman Dr. B.R. Ambedkar on 29th August 1947. The drafting committee submitted its report on 21st February 1948. The draft constitution was introduced in the Constituent Assembly on 5th November 1948 and the constitution was ready on 26 November 1949. The constitution promulgated on 26 November 1950. Initially, there was 389 members of Constituent Assembly, and after formation of Pakistan, the Constituent Assembly of India reduced to 299. Out of 299 members, 284 affixed their signature on the final draft of Constitution. The Constitution was promulgated on 26 January 1950 because on this date in 1929, the Indian National Congress in the annual session at Lahore in December 1929 had passed a historic resolution under the President of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. On 26 January 1930, Purna Swaraj Divas was celebrated throughout country. To coincide with this day, it was decided to promulgate the Indian Constitution on 26 January 1950. Despite of the fact that our Constitution was ready on 26 November 1949, thus 26 January, our Republic Day, is celebrated every year on this day.